people, welcome to Exploring jelaiZki. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, slap that like button, and share this video. Did you know that pungko in Visayan means to squat? Thus the name Magpupungko. Magpupungko rock pools on Siargao Island is the most popular tourist destination in Pilar. Just a 45-minute drive from the main tourist area of General Luna. The best way to get around Siargao Island is on a motorbike. The cost for a motorbike rental is around 300 to 400 pesos per day, or for a monthly rental, you'll get a cheaper rate of 200 to 300 pesos per day.
You're gone now, or you're coming back. Yeah, I know that.
Magpupungko is famous for its rock pools, which can only be seen during low tide. It also features picturesque limestone rock formations for cliff jumping and an awesome spot for hours of swimming, snorkeling, and shallow diving. The entrance fee will cost you 50 pesos and you won't get hungry or thirsty because at the entrance, there are a lot of local eatery or carinderias to choose from.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us.
As Magpupungko is one of the most popular Siargao tourist spots, you will most likely be sharing the rock pools with 50 other people. But please, don't be deterred by the busyness of this beautiful location, as the Magpupungko rock pools are very large and can accommodate for its popularity. So I suggest you plan your day before brunch starts, because if the tides are high, nobody is allowed to swim or go near the rock pools area as tides are strong. That is why I share to you my own spot of rock pool, located behind the big rock formation at the end of the touristy rock pool, where you will get to enjoy, relax, swim, and be one with nature, and a lot less noisy and most especially not crowded. It may look a little creepy because it has already inhabited by algae and other plants that surround some of the sides of the rock pool and small fish that are left during low tide. But this is a good sign of rich marine life, even though it has already been exploited by humans. I encourage you people to be mindful when visiting this kind of places. Leave only footprints and take only beautiful memories.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the space.